Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EROS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume. And in particular, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the final 30 minutes of the day. Volume just came pouring in, and then the price really didn't do much. So it's kind of one of those type situations. But as a trader, I like type situations because maybe that's somebody getting loaded up, or, and I'm not putting on my tinfoil hat or anything, but it's just one of those situations that kind of makes you scratch your head. All that volume and the price barely budges, and then all that volume happened here in the final 30 minutes. So it's a very, very interesting scenario going forward, especially when you factor in that after the gap down and the continued plummet that occurred, the price did start to actually work its way higher and higher as the remainder of the day started to unfold. So that's kind of a good little trend line to kind of measure the health of this slow and steady little bounce that occurred. After the late morning happened, things started to turn around. If that trend line is violated, then at that point in time, while there's no such thing as a guarantee, it also would not be very shocking at all to see the price go down there and at least retest $3.15. So again, levels of support, the ideal one, yeah, you want to see the price stay above that orange line there, which is the trend line. But if that trend line doesn't hold up, then yeah, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price go to 315. But in the event this is some sort of, kind of a little precursor before a bigger move to the upside occurs, let's talk about some areas of resistance. Initial level of resistance before any sort of upside movement to the, can really happen in a bigger way, right up there at $4.20. If 420 can be broken, then the next key level after that, not until all the way up there at about $4.85. So there's definitely potential there for a bigger move to the upside. And with the way that the price acted late day to day with the uptrend, and then, like I said, the final 30 minutes, definitely an interesting scenario going forward. So I know I'll keep an eye on it, and we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.